Why do two creators post the exact same kind of video, same topic, same quality, and one channel takes off while the other stays completely flat? It's not the talent, it's not the luck, and it's almost never the camera or the editing. The difference is that one of them is using AI to make decisions, and the other one is making them by guessing. And here's the part: almost nobody is actually doing this. Most creators are using AI to write a script and spit out thumbnail ideas. Very few are actually using it in a way that actually moves a channel. And so in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI to grow your channel in a way that puts you ahead of 99% of creators. No code, no fancy tools, just the stuff you already have open. Let's get into it. So here's the one thing I want you to remember for this whole video. Most creators use AI to make stuff, scripts, titles, ideas. That's fine, but that's the small win. The creators who actually grow use AI to make decisions: what to make, who's it for, and why a video will or won't land before they ever hit record. That's the whole shift: stuff versus decisions. And I'm going to break it into 3 ways that you can start doing this today. So let's start with the one that matters the most, and that is validate the idea before you film. Most small channels die because of the one quiet mistake. They make videos nobody was looking for. The work is good, but the demand was never there. So before you film anything, use AI to pressure test the idea. Open ChatGPT and don't ask it to write, ask it to think with you. Paste in your idea and ask, who is this specifically for? What are they already searching to find it? And what's the one promise this title has to make? Here's a pro tip that takes this a little bit further. Grab the titles of the top 5 videos already ranking for your topic, paste them in, and ask the AI one question: what did all of these miss? The gap. The thing that nobody covered, that is your angle. That's how you make a video that sits next to the winners instead of buried under them. If you can't clearly answer who it's for and what they're searching for, the video is not ready yet. That one filter alone will save you from your next flop. All right, now the way number 2 is let AI read analytics for you. Your channel is already telling you what to do next. The problem is that the answer is buried in your analytics, and most creators never actually read them. Go into YouTube Studio, export or screenshot your last 10 to 20 videos with their views, click-through rate, and average view duration. Drop that into AI and ask, which videos clearly outperform the rest and what do they have in common? This is where it gets powerful. The AI will spot a pattern you've been too close to see. Maybe your how-to videos crush and your reaction videos flop. Maybe anything with a number in the title wins. Now you're not guessing what to make next, you're using your own data in plain English. And then just ask the follow-up. Based on this, give me 5 new video ideas that lean into what's already working. And just like that, your next month of content is built on evidence instead of hope. All right, now the next way is to use AI is to build a title and thumbnail that earn the click. You can make the best video of your life, but if the title and thumbnail don't earn the click, nobody ever finds out. Packaging is not the last step, it's half the job. So use AI as your packaging partner. Give it your topic and your target viewer and ask for 10 title options using proven patterns: the number and time format, the mistake and fix, the curiosity gap. But here's the rule that people get wrong. Don't let AI pick, you pick. AI gives you the raw options fast. Your judgment chooses the one that's actually true to your video. A great title on a video that doesn't deliver hurts you more than it helps. Then do the same for the thumbnail. Ask AI to describe 3 thumbnail concepts that match your strongest title, each built around a single idea, not a cluttered mess. You hand those concepts to your designer, you direct, AI drafts. So let's pull all of this together. So 1, use AI to decide what to make by validating the idea before you film. 2, use AI to decide what's working by letting it read your analytics and find the pattern. And then 3, use AI to decide how it's packaged by generating titles and thumbnail concepts and then choosing with your own judgment. Notice the thread through all 3. We never asked AI to be the creator. We used it to make better decisions faster. That's the whole difference between the 99% using AI to make stuff and the 1% using it to actually grow. So the best part is that you can start with just the first one today. Pick your next video, run it through AI before you film, and you've already done more work and you're ahead of almost everyone. So if you want me to break down any of these three into its own deep dive video, tell me which one in the comments. In the meantime, go make something worth watching, and I will see you in the next video.